guys, welcome back to C3 Controls. It's Stacy. Today we're going to walk through the process of installing our 22mm IEC pilot devices. Let's get started. To start, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, clamp ring wrench, your pilot device, and your mounting panel. First, take your pilot device and find the top part of the latching device. Insert your screwdriver into the bottom of the two slots and push away to remove the latching device and contact blocks from the operator. Now we have our latching device and contact blocks and operator separated. Next, we're going to take our operator and remove the clamp ring using the clamp ring wrench. Make sure the gasket stays with the operator. Next, take your operator and find the keyway. The key of the legend plate and panel, if it's equipped with one, will fit in this keyway. Now take the key of the legend plate and slide that onto the keyway of the operator. Do the same with the mounting panel. Next, take your clamp ring and clamp ring wrench to tighten your operator to the panel. If you're installing a unibody, installation is over and it's ready for wiring. If not, take your latching device with your contact blocks and snap it into place. Now let me show you how easy it is to install contact blocks. Depending on the type of device, illuminated versus non-illuminated, our contact blocks can be stacked up to 3 wide and 2 deep. First, take your contact block and find your stationary foot and your latching foot. Get your device and hook your stationary foot onto the top of the latching device and snap that into place. Now take your next contact block and repeat this by hooking it to the top of the back of the contact block and snapping it into place. To remove a contact block, insert a flathead screwdriver under the latching foot and push out, popping it out nice and easy. For additional videos, tips, and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website. Thanks and have a great day.